Every hour, sun's energy that falls on the earth is equal to the amount of energy used by the entire human population in 1 year. The energy from the sun has limitless supply, unlike oil and gas. Solar power is a reliable source of energy. Moreover, solar energy is free. Enkay Solar Power and Infrastructure Private Limited in Noida is pioneering the solar revolution by offering energy-saving solar panels. These solar panels harness sun's energy into usable free electricity. The company has its production wing that uses latest technology to produce solar modules. The manufacturing process starts with the testing of solar cells to see the efficiency and other technical data. The cells are cut into uniform sizes through laser beam technology. This process is followed by printing barcode and product specification labels. Tab wires are cut with the help of cutter tool, then cells go into tabber stringer. The machine makes the string by connecting cell to cell with copper wire. In this process, an EVA is used to cover the glass panel surface. Each string of solar cells are laid over this surface with correct spacing and alignment and are connected together. Adhesive tapes are used to keep the alignment intact temporarily. Rows of the cells are connected through bus wires and are then soldered to tab wires, and then testing of layup is done. Here the backsheet is placed behind the panel elements. A visual inspection of the cells are done through mirror reflection to check for defects in the solar cells, if any. The solar panel is placed in a lamination machine. The machine produces heat up to the temperature of 155 degrees Celsius to bind the panel elements together. It takes 15 minutes to complete one cycle. In this process, the excess backsheets are trimmed off carefully, which have been left after lamination at the edges of the panel. The panel is appended to an aluminium frame and, at first, manually and then with the help of a framing machine. A junction box is fixed on the back of panels and soldered with the copper strings. Drying time is given to the panel. It takes about 8 to 10 hours for the glue to dry. After the drying process, the panel undergoes the cleaning process. It takes just few minutes and the solar panel is wiped off clean. The panel is brought back to the lab for final testing of Sun Simulator. We have AAA+ Sun Simulator device providing illumination that approximates the natural sunlight. It is a well-equipped world-class technology meant for controllable indoor testing of solar cells. The solar panel is inspected by the QC head and the product specification label, panel test reports and OK tested label are attached to the rear of the panel. The final packing of the product is done, which bears the name of the company and its location. Enkay Solar Power offers power-saving products like solar panels, range of LED street lights, and portable flexible solar panels. Enkay Solar Power is proud to introduce its board of directors. Shri Nandakishore Agarwal has over 40 years of experience in electrical contracting field. Mrs. Poonam Agarwal has 10 years of Sheen electrical experience as a partner. Contact Enkay Solar Power and Infrastructure Private Limited to get a detailed overview of the products and services.